Hi everyone, welcome to week 5 in our network security fundamentals class, and we are now in week 5. We have one more week to go. Next week we'll be going over week 6, which is our final week, and I'll encourage you to take a look at the grade book at this point and let me know if you have any questions. And when I grade each week, I leave comments in there. Make sure you review those comments and make any changes as you see appropriate. So for this week, you have 2 chapters as far as the reading is concerned. Chapter 5, which goes over basic cryptography, and then we also have chapter 6 on advanced cryptography. So the focus for this week, as you can see, is on cryptography, which is some type of encryption. And when covering the concept of encryption or cryptography, we'll also look at some of the 2 main methods that are there, the symmetric encryption as well as the asymmetric encryption. So in the discussion forum, you discuss some of those in greater detail. But if you drive a car, you have keys that you use to get into the car, or at your house you have keys that you use to get into the house. So when it comes to cryptography, it kind of works the same way as far as data is concerned. When you are sending data, you use a key to lock that data so that those who do not have access to it cannot view the contents of the data. That's what cryptography and encryption is all about, making sure that you use certain keys to lock the data. And in some situations, you can lock the hard drive, you can lock your USB, you can lock the email contents, or you can also lock your whole laptop, so such that if it's stolen and that person doesn't have the key that you use to encrypt it, they are not going to be able to view whatever you may have on there. So in terms of symmetric uses 2 keys, a private key and a public key, to encrypt data, whereas asymmetric uses only 1 key. All right, so you can read more about that in chapters 5 and 6. You have 2 assignments this week: the discussion forum on cryptography and symmetric and asymmetric. Remember to post your initial post by Wednesday, as well as to participate over at least 3 different days. You also have the labs, and for the labs for this week are going to come from section 4.5, 11.5, 11.2, 11.3. So as you can see, most of the sections are going to be from section 11. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to either email me, call me, or text message me, and I'll be glad to help you with any questions that you have. Have a great week.